The story that we are breaking this evening, India Alliance has been revived with a show of unity at a dinner being hosted by Rahul Gandhi in the national capital. Rahul Gandhi is hosting the India bloc leaders for the first time since the Lok Sabha elections of 2024. Rahul Gandhi in that meeting has shown a presentation, Democracy Destroyed, where he claims that there has been massive poll fraud involving the Election Commission. Rahul Gandhi has briefed the opposition leaders on his allegations of a vote fraud. The opposition now will march to the Election Commission office on August 11 to step up their campaign against the Election Commission and issues like the special intensive revision. Let's now go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj, my colleague joining us live. Amit Bhardwaj, all eyes on Rahul Gandhi, who's the leader of the opposition, but since the Lok Sabha really, for the first time, we are seeing the India Alliance coming together, including parties left Trinamool, who are opposing each other in Bengal, Aam Aadmi Party missing, but otherwise, by and large, for the first time, we are seeing many of these parties coming together on one platform since, what, May 2024?
Absolutely right, Rajdeep. You know, there have been a lot of questions and complaints from different India bloc allies against Congress party that, look, why we are not coordinating and why physical meetings are not happening. And we are bringing you these visuals right outside from Rahul Gandhi's residence in the national capital, where right behind me, you could see the leaders who were part of this particular meeting. They are stepping out and now heading back to their homes. What we can certainly tell our viewers today is that the key issue in this particular meeting was the Democracy Destroyed PPT that was made by Rahul Gandhi today, public this noon, and he had made a similar presentation in front of the India bloc party leaders, including Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah, Uddhav Thackeray. And that list is quite long. In fact, Tejasvi Yadav, Dipankar Bhattacharya and Mukesh Sahni of the VIP, all of these senior leaders from Bihar's India Gathbandhan or Mahagathbandhan are still inside Rahul Gandhi's residence.
And what about Aam Aadmi? What about Aam Aadmi Party, Amit?
Taken up, but certainly, yes.
Aam Aadmi Party kept out? Was not invited?
Well, Rajdeep, Aam Aadmi Party has officially exited the India bloc. They're no more part of the India Alliance at this point in time, but they are with India bloc and larger opposition on the issue of SIR. So they were not part of this particular meeting, but on August 11th, that is on Monday, they would be participating in that India bloc march to the Election Commission.